Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this video I will show you how you can analyze and find online arbitrage deals that you can sell on Amazon. There are two choices that you have. You can do it manually or you can use some sort of software. And if you do it manually, what you normally do, you visit websites like, for example, here I have Argus, and you search for products and then compare those products with Amazon. On this page you can see that I have Lego for £35, and in another tab I have the same Lego but for £58 and 10 pence on Amazon. So you can buy this particular toy at Argus for 35 and then you can sell it on Amazon for a profit. But to do it manually, it is pretty tedious job, and instead what you can do, you can use Arbitrage Hero, which I have here. And with Arbitrage Hero you can go to Analyze Products, select your store, for example Argus, which I showed you, then set some parameters and then click Update, and the software will return you certain items, like for example here's a bike, but it is a big item. But here we have some games. Let's have a look at this game at Argus. You can see that it costs £5 and 99 pence, and on Amazon, if you click on it, you can see that you can sell it for £23 and 99 pence. And you can see here that the profit, if you sell it for that price, would be £9 and 99 pence, which is pretty good profit. And you can see that there are multiple items which you can get here. We can try different store. Let's say Playmobil. Let's refresh it. And you can see that we have plenty of deals which we can buy for a much cheaper price on Playmobil website, and then we can sell those items on Amazon for a profit. And here you can see we can profit £9 and 19 pence. Here we can profit almost £8, etc. So pretty healthy profits. And if you buy, let's say 5-10 items per day or per week, you can add a significant amount to your income. I hope that this video was useful. This is how you can quickly find profitable deals, and if you are interested in trying our software, you can get a free account to try it absolutely free and see whether you can use it to profit from Amazon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.